Hi, welcome back to Becoming a Seller on MakerMall. Today we're going to talk about products and how to create your products. So I've logged in, I've gone to my vendor dashboard. I'm going to scroll down on the left and click on products. This is going to open up my product listings. From here you'll see all of the products you have, the number you have, if they're out of stock, if they're draft, online, etc. Scroll down, you'll be able to see them all in detail. So on the top right, I'm going to go to add a new product. So there are various types of products. Today we're going to discuss adding a simple product. So we're going to give it a name. Note in your name, you want to give it as much detail as possible. So I'm going to do, let's see. And then if it's downloadable, you're going to check the box. This is actual physical product that I'm going to ship out, so I'm not going to check that box. Okay, I'm going to add my price, and then I'm going to upload a cover image. If you already have it in the media library, you can select it from there, which I already added one. And then it'll make sure you add your alt text. So we're going to do sensational, sample, simple, let's see, make sure you spell it right. I'm going to copy and paste all this. And then there's the link if you need it. We're going to update it since I changed all the info. And then we're going to set it as the featured image. So you'll see it as now the featured image. To add more, you're going to go to your gallery, upload. I'm going to select some more, and I'm just going to use a few more here. Do 3, open. You'll see they're uploading all of the images now. And then we do need to go through and add the alt text, this description, and the titles. Okay, so my first one, 1, and 1. Add to gallery. Okay, well, if you do click on it, it'll exit out. So I'm just going to go here. We have cover 1, do 2. Oops. Oh, keep getting that. I'm going to go Control V, 2, and then let's do the third one. Add it to the gallery. You can select multiple and add multiple to the gallery at a time. Just doing it one by one so you can see. If you have a short product video, you'll want to add it there to add it to your gallery as well. And you can see there's plenty more. I have plenty of room to add more. For your tags, you're going to tag it with anything that describes it. So simple. Okay, and these are words people might look for when they're searching, so you want to add as many as possible. So let's see, plate, serving ware, dishes. Okay. So then for my brand, it's going to be your company brand, so I'm going to add mine in here. Oh, here it is. Okay. If you want to use a link to a YouTube video, you can. It's not required. It's just a different way people can find your stuff. Your short description, just copy and paste your title in. For your long description, we're going to start with the title. Then you want to add 200 to 600 words for your description. Okay, you want to make sure you describe it in detail, the size, the color, what it's used for, etc. Okay, the more detail in here, the better it is. For your title, you want to use it 2 to 4 times in your product description, no more than 4, or it will lower your SEO. And then your keywords, make sure to stick those in there. No more than 4 times. For your SKU, just make up any random number, letter combination, just type whatever. Okay. If it is in stock, make sure you select in stock. If it's out of stock or if it's on back order, make sure to choose that, and you can come back in here at any time and update this. So if you have 5 in stock now, okay. If you want to track your status, so if you have 5 and that's all you've made, you want to enable product stock management. So at this point, we can say I have 5 here. The low stock threshold is a setting you can set just for yourself to know that you need to make more, and it'll send you an alert. So I can set it to 1. You have the option to allow back orders or not allow back orders. And then there's an option to allow but notify customer as well. So this is on back order. Do you still want it? But it'll show. Okay, so I'm going to set it to do not allow. You also have a limiter. If you only want to sell one of these at a time, check this box. Okay, add-ons. So add-ons are ways you can upsell. So if it is a plaque, but they have the option to add on some lights, or if they had the option to add on keychains, you would add on here by clicking Add Field. You can create additional add-ons or anything you'd like, and then it gives you the options for formatting these add-ons. So you can display it as like a drop down, you can display it as a radio button, the little circle, and they click on the circle, or images. And then you have to give it a title and format and the description, everything. So I'm not going to add one right now. Yes. All right. So your SEO, this is where you want to make sure you have all your keywords for your products. For your weight, add in this. So you'll see it automatically checked. This product requires shipping. So you want to add in your weight. So when it ships, it's going to be 24 by 24 by 6. It's going to be 5 pounds. Then you want to select the shipping options. So I'm going to do a flat rate large box. These are the shipping methods that you've chosen and you have on your profile. You can override the default shipping if you want. It is a taxable product. If it's not taxable, make sure to change that here. And then your standard tax class. So these are settings that you've set in your overall store settings, and then you do have the option to change these here. If you have other products that you think they would be interested in, you can go to cross-sell, simply type in, typing in the beginning of the name of the product. So it'll search, and it will pull up everything with that word in it. And then these will suggest items. Hey, the other customers purchased this. Would you be interested in this as well? Or this is a similar product. So we can do platter. This one. Okay. If there's something you want to upsell, so hey, add this to it, you can do that over here. I'm trying to think of one. Okay. Custom attributes. This is what you're going to use for variable products. So for a simple product, you don't need this. If you'd like to enable a bulk discount, you would check this box and say, okay, if you buy 5, I'll give you 10% off. 25% off, it's entirely up to you. Again, this is not required. This is entirely optional. This is if you want to override the RMA settings. So maybe this product you're going to allow a refund on or to be returnable, or maybe this is your store is no returns. This you could say, okay, this one's returnable. Or maybe you allow returns, but this one is a custom item and you're not going to allow it. So you're going to override it. And then you're going to list your return policy and everything in here. Again, not optional. I mean, not required. Okay. If it's a wholesale option, you'll check this and then add the wholesale prices in. If you have a minimum maximum rule, you'll enable that here and enter the quantity. Okay, so the status is going to default to online. If you want to keep it draft because you're not ready to publish, then change it to draft. It will be visible on the website. If you want it to be hidden because you're only going to send this link to one person, so it's a custom item, then you'll choose hidden. It'll be searchable, catalog, but I'm going to leave it online and visible. And then if there's any notes you want to send to the customer, you add that in here. And I have it defaulted to enable product reviews so people can review it. So I'm going to save my product. Move the camera out of the way here. Okay, save product. And then you'll see it's eventually saving. My little camera was blocking the button. Okay, so it's saved here. Now, it's everything that I've entered in is saved. I click on View Product. Okay, so after I click View Product, it's going to give you, show you what the front end, what the customers are going to see. So I have my featured image here, and any additional images will be over here that they can click on. It'll scroll through. Title, price, sold by me, the name of the product, and then as you scroll through, here are your tags. Over here you have your description, your shipping information, any additional information you wanted to add, the dimensions, the weights. If there are reviews on this product, it'll show here. My vendor information, and then additional products that they might be interested in. There's a warranty, and if they have questions about the product, it'll allow them to submit an inquiry here. Okay, so thank you for watching. Our next video will be on adding variables for your products.